off we go. Right, so we've got a confidence boost here, guys. We've got first one. Can I have hands up for the mode, please? What was the mode on this? Let's go with Kyle. 5. Is that agreed?
Yes.
Yeah, 5. Good. Right. And what about the range? Who got the range? Squad Scarlet. 5. Did everyone get 5?
Yeah.
The highest is 6, lowest is 1. 6 take away 1 is equal to 5. The median. What do we get for the median? Let's go Mustafa.
4.5.
4.5. Do people agree with that?
Yeah. 4.
Yeah, 4.5, 4.5 is still the same. Good. The median, you put them all in order and cross them off. You're left with 4.5. Good. Okay, next one. Yeah, good. Next one, find the median and mean of the following data set. First of all, median. Go on, Shelley. 6. Did everybody agree with 6?
Yes.
Yeah? Good. And the mean, Brad?
6.888.
Did everyone agree with that one?
I got 6.8. I got 3. Yeah, I got 6.83333. Yeah. For me, I got 7.
Okay, Brad, what did you get your total to be? What total did you get when you added them up? When you added them all up, what did you get? 82. Did everyone get 82?
Yeah.
Sorry? You did add it up correctly then. And what did you divide by, Brad? 12. Good. So 82 divided by 12. Let's just check that on the calculator. 82 divided by 12 is 6.83 reoccurring.
I got 6. 5.
Yeah, 6 and 5, 6. Yeah?
Just 6, 5, 1, 6 to count.
Yeah. A 6 and 5, 6. Yeah, that's how you should say it.
Sir.
Right, this next one.
Sir, is it okay if I got 6 minutes?
Yeah, I'll give you that one. Right. We've got here, find the median, mean and mode of the following large data set. This is a bigger data set, so it's a bit more complicated. Mode, who got a mode? What do we get?
I got
125 and
125 there.
147.
Right, so we've got 125, 1 there. We've got another 125, we've got 147 there.
And at the top next to 100.
And 147. Yeah, so you've got 2 modes then. Yeah? 147 and 125. Okay, mean. What do we get for the mean? Someone different has not answered yet. Just give me your answer, we'll work from there. Beth, go on.
I got 204, 14,
Okay, 204. Does anyone agree with that?
No.
Okay, what did you get, Shelley?
205, 4, 1, 1, 7, 6, or 7.
Okay.
205 and 7.
Yeah, they're both same.
I got 190.647.
Okay. Brad?
205,
Okay. I will give you 205, 204. Somewhere in that region, I'll give you those marks. Okay? What total did we get for that? Someone tell me, Shelley, you tell me your total you got. Yeah, your total when you added it up.
Oh, I had 3492.
3492, and you divided by what? 17. Did everyone agree with that calculation?
I got 3,000 too.
Okay, 3492 is correct. I did that up. Divided by 17, you get 205. Whatever, I'll give you that. So if you got 204 something, I'll give you that mark as well, okay? Because it's a harder one. What about the median? Can I have the median, somebody? Go on, Kyle. 247. Do people agree with that?
No.
Who got 153? Hands up for me, please. It is 153. Well done. Kyle, you've made a slight mistake. Kyle, did you order them? Okay, you made a slight mistake in your ordering, so next time just practice that, yeah? So you put them all in order, and you're left with 153. Make sure you put in order. That's the key thing. Then cross off one end, cross off the other end, and the range. What did we get for the range? Come on, someone different.
Right, I've got my bank close now.
Go on, Joe. You got 480. I know what you did, didn't you? You got the highest and added the lowest, didn't you? What have you got to do? Highest take Good, thank you. So the highest is
365.
365, and the lowest is?
112.
It's what, sorry, what's the lowest?
112.
112, which is 253. Okay?
Sir, I got 252.
So, Joe, next time, you're not going to make that mistake, are you?
Sir,
That's the whole point of the confidence booster. Mustafa, I'm speaking, you need to wait your turn, alright? What did you say, Mustafa?
I got 252.
252. You made a slight calculation, so drop yourself 1 mark for that. Okay, so you only got 3 out of 4 on that. Okay, so going down to this one, we've got below is a list of the car colour in the teacher's car park. So white, black, white, red, green, blue, blue, white, red, black, black. What type of data is this? Can anyone remember? Go on, Toby.
No.
It's not. What type of data is it? You're all busting. Let's go, Marcus. Your hands
Is
again.
it a cover?
No, not quite, no. Lauren, go on. Qualitative data, thank you. Because it's quality, it's not quantity, it's quality. So it's qualitative.
Oh, does it matter if I spelled it wrong?
No.
Oh, spelled it wrong.
And what average should we use? Toby? Which one should we use? You've already answered the question earlier. The mode. We should use the mode. And why is that? Beth?
Because there's two of every colour, really,
Right, okay, that's a nice idea. What's it out of the question? I can't quite see on mine. Well, how many marks is the question out of? 4. So drop yourself 1 mark for that, okay? But that's still a nice explanation. Shelley, go on. Good. You can't use the median or the mean. Okay, if you've got something like you can't use the median or the mean, or the mode is the only one you can use, you get that extra mark. That gets you your 4th mark. You can't divide colours, that's the same. You're doing something along those lines, yes? Good, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Anything to do with that is you can't add colours, so you can't use the median or the mean. That gets you that mark. These last two is what we did on Wednesday, alright? Hold on, Marcus, and you can have a go in a second. We want the modal class, and we want to estimate the mean. This is what we call continuous or grouped data. Okay? The first one wants you to find the mean. Which is the mean group then, Marcus?
Is it the 5 greater than 8 greater than 20?
Okay, you've said that's slightly wrong, but that is the correct answer. That's the correct answer because there's 23 of them, whereas only 12 with the other. That's 16 and 12 with the other. Did anybody say the mean was the mode was 12? Anybody? I need your hands up if you did. Be honest. Okay, that's absolutely fantastic. Well done, because you're not falling into the trap. So the mode, the modal group is is H is greater or equal to 15, but less than 20. Okay.
Yeah.
And we've got the median now. This one I'm going to go through. All right, Marcus? I know you want to give the answer, so I'm going to go through it. What we do is we add all these up. Can somebody add all those up for me, please? We add all the frequencies up. 63. Then what do we do, Brad? Not divide by how many there is. What we do is we add 1. Gets us to 64. When we get to 64, we half it so we can find the middle value. This plus 1 makes sure we get the right middle value. 64 divided by 2 is 32, good. So you find the 32nd one, so we've got 12 in that one. Then what's this one, 23. So add 23 to 12. 25.
Yeah, I thought it was 23.
12 add 23, it's not 25, it's 35. So hit up to this point, there's 35 pieces of data. So which group does it fall into? Shelley? Good. Yeah, I know what you're saying there. So the way we read it is H is less than 20, but greater or equal to 15. That's the way you do it. You add the frequencies up, you add 1, divide by 2, that gets you your middle value. Once you've got that middle value, you then find that middle value within your set of data. I'm just going to stop recording.